Nagpaulan ng 3 si Kevin Kiambao sa kanilang friendly game kontra sa NU Bulldogs. Halos hindi na nga magmintis itong si KQ. Eto nga ang kanyang unang practice game sa Sono Sky Gunners bilang paghahanda sa paparating na season ng KBL.
So much for the support. I didn't know that a lot of people will watch this tournament, this practice game, and I'm excited to meet you all in the season. To all my Filipino fans, kababayans here in Korea, not just in Korea but worldwide, thank you for the support. Catch us this upcoming KBL season. I hope stay safe for you all, and God bless you.